Hey guys, Running Kimono here, and Walgreens went spectacular today. We're even talking a deal with rebate apps to get all of this Axe stuff completely for free, no coupons needed, and I will show you that one right off the bat. But like, there's some amazing deals. Everything worked out perfectly for me today, and we're gonna go through everything line by line. Little weather report for you guys. It's a humid one here today. It's probably low 80s. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to talk about is yesterday I made a very quick video about a coupon insert giveaway with $10 for one lucky winner. So if you guys missed it, I will link this video at the very end. Very easy to enter, free giveaway. So go and check it out, and the winner will be picked on Monday the 27th for that. And we also have a free photo today, which is an 8x10. Use the code SUNNY8X10, one per store card, and you'll get a print. And special shout out to the freebie guy. He posted this on his Instagram first thing on Sunday morning. Hey guys, so this is the first hot deal that we're going to talk about, and I'm going to talk about how you can do it and then how I specifically did it, because I used Register Rewards to pay this down because I had no manufacturers to accompany this. So for this basket, what I grabbed was one shampoo and conditioner, one body wash, and one deodorant spray. Now, I'm gonna let you guys in on a little something. For whatever reason, these men's product, they usually like to do a 3-in-1, which is like a body wash, a shampoo, a conditioner, shampoo and conditioner, so it's like 3 products in one. But you're gonna wanna really pay attention that you're grabbing the ones that say like, you know, shampoo and conditioner, body wash, because everything looks identical and you don't want to grab the wrong one. And often open up your Ibotta app to make sure that it's scanning with it and that you're grabbing the right stuff, because that's the last thing you want to do is to buy a bunch of stuff and it's not the right corresponding stuff. So what you're going to do is open up your Ibotta account, make sure that you have the rebate for the shampoo, conditioner, the body wash, and the spray. And for Ibotta, it's $1 for the body wash, $1.25 for the deodorant, and then $1.50 for the shampoo. You're also going to open up your Shopkick app and see if you have this bundle that is 1,800 points when you buy these 3, and I believe you get a couple of points if you scan the barcodes in store. And then the final app that you're going to want to stack this with is Fetch. And yesterday, some really hot rebates showed up, and they're only valid for a week. And it's giving back $12.50 for this, which is $1.25, $1.25 for this, or $12.50 for the body wash, and then $1,000 for the deodorant. So just buying these on their own, they're $4 a piece. They're 2 for $8, but the third one will also ring up for $4, and I'll show you the receipt here in a second in case you're like, it's not gonna scan that way. It in fact does. So for these 3, it's $12 on the nose. You can use 10,000 points or pay that 12 out of pocket, depending whatever your situation is. And then for my Ibotta, you're gonna get back $3.75, which is $1 for the body wash, $1.25 for the deodorant, and $1.50 for the shampoo. Shopkick is giving back 1,800 points, which is the equivalency of $7.20. Oh my gosh. And then Fetch is giving back basically $3.62, $12.50 for the hair, $12.50 for the body wash, and $1,000 for the deodorant. So right there, using just the apps with these 3 products this week, it's free plus a $2.85 money maker. Now to jog through what I did, guys, I got these 3 products. Now if you remember last week, we had different Register Rewards for the razors and the Tide. So I used 2 $3 and then 1 $5. So $12 subtracting my $11 of Register Rewards. And so I had to pay $1 plus tax out of pocket. And then I got $3.75 back from Ibotta for the 3 different rebates. I got back 1,800 points from Shopkick, and Shopkick might take a day or two to aggregate the points to your store, to your card, but that's 720, and I already submitted to that. And then I already got back my 3,620 points from Fetch, which is basically $3.62. So for me, guys, this was free plus a $13.55 moneymaker. So it doesn't get any better than that. I know that I bought a rebate was only valid for like 4 days. It's gonna expire pretty quickly. So if you can get out to the store and move on this deal fast, this one is totally worth it. To have free acts with the rebates, I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. And to have a triple stack of rebates, I mean, that is just fantastic. So I am loving this deal. I think it is absolutely fantastic. And I think if you have a special guy in your house, or if you're a male couponer, this is a deal you should be doing. And whenever there is back to school, they always throw something like this in. So I'm delighted to see this. Okay, so on Friday's video, I did a Nexus deal, and I got one mousse and one shampoo. Now in store, I think this one was $13.99 and this one was $14.99, and I'm not paying that. So, or the app price for this for my store is $9.89 for this and $11.99 for this. So those two together, that's $21.88. The deal for this week is that when you buy $20 of Nexus products, you get back 10,000 points. You have to pay cash for the balance for this one, non-negotiable. Now what I did was I found a manager and I said, hey, in the app for your location, there are different prices than what the shelf price is. Could you please modify it for me? And they did it. Now I know that a lot of you, your stores are really tough, and you know they'd rather bring you in the back and wrestle with you than modify something, but it is in their coupon policy that they allow one modification. I got them to do two, but even just with the one for $9.89, it would still make your basket a lot less. So you're gonna have to ask, and hopefully you have a friendly enough store that will do a mod for you. So with my modification, guys, it was $21.88. I had a $5 digital for this and a $5 for coupons.com for this one. So after both of those came off, I had to pay $11.88 cash out of pocket. Cash, pennies, debit card, credit card, whatever you might have to pay that down. And then I got back my 10,000 points because I spent 20 on Nexus. And then I got back, hold on to your hat for this one, 4,718 points back from Fetch, which is basically $4.71. So it made this basket free plus a $2.83 money maker. So that is tremendous. And if you might have a booster like spend 20, get back 5,000, yes, it will stack for you. If you want to watch my video from Friday, I kind of go into that a little more deeper, but basically it's the same thing. You're just going to pay cash for it, and it's absolutely fantastic. Okay guys, and just to show you, like, this is almost $5 in Fetch Rewards points. This is a tremendous app. If you've never signed up, today is your lucky day. Use the link in the notes along with my referral code. It's right there on the screen. When you photograph your first receipt, it could be a pack of gum that you bought last week at Walgreens. You're going to be given 2,000 points. If you go to your discoveries page and look for these little, like, you know, Nexus, Axe, that sort of stuff, that's where you really start building points towards gift cards. So if you want to sign up with my team, this might be the weekend to do it. It's a free app to use, and it is just tremendous and just so easy to use. You just basically photograph receipts and get points, and that discoveries page is really worth its weight in gold when these wonderful, like, high value boosters show up. So definitely, if you haven't signed up, sign up. Don't forget to use my code and photograph a receipt. That's $2 for you today. Now, with the new month, we have a new big book of savings, and on page 10, we have this $1.25 off of the Scott and Kleenex products. Now, this is the one you're going to be looking for today. 2 of these, which are $5 a pop. So for 2 of them, it's 10. You get the cashier to scan this little coupon right here where my thumb is. $2.50 will come off. Plus a very wonderful 2 off of 2 digital showed up, which is a manufacturer coupon. So you're paying $5.50 for 2 after everything is said and done. I mean, use 5,000 points, you're 50 cents for 2 things of paper towel or a quarter each. We don't even see these prices. And with everything going on in the world, that is a time to pounce on this deal and make it happen. My store has very strict signage saying 2 paper products per person per day. So I'm definitely going back tomorrow to get some Cottonelle and get some Viva because those manufacturer coupons showed up. But like, this was the deal I wanted to do today. So delighted with that. The next deal that I did was on the Fruit Loops. This guy is $1.99. We had a 50-cent digital coupon that showed up this morning, and I was looking for my coupons, I think at 7 a.m., and they weren't loading properly, so I'd have to type in Fruit Loop, and then the 50-cent coupon would show up for me. So I'm not sure if anyone else had that issue, but I certainly did this morning. Subtracting that, guys, I'm paying $1.49. Ibotta is giving back a 60-cent rebate on this cereal, making it 89 cents. So I have a couple nieces who are going to be really happy with that cereal. This is my only little snag that I had, but it's not really the worst issue. My store only carries the men's speed stick. There wasn't a woman and a men, because this morning we got both a men dollar coupon and a women's dollar coupon. However, I had only 2 men's because they didn't sell the ladies speed stick or it was sold out. So these guys are $2.99 for the first, $1.49 for the second. So the purchase of these 2 is $4.48. Subtracting the $1 coupon for this one, $3.48. Yes, you can use points for this one. You get back 3,000 points for buying 2. It makes it 48 cents for the 2, or 24 cents each. It is a freebie and a moneymaker if you can get both 1 men and 1 women's, but unfortunately I couldn't pull that rabbit out of the hat today, but I'm happy with what I got. Now this is just a little doorbuster for back to school. Every week leading up to back to school, there's always a little cheap item. And these are the scissors that are 49 cents. The original price for them is like $2.49, so I'll take that savings. If you're an extreme couponer and you need to clip something, you know, if you don't clip your coupons all the time or you just need them on the run, these are always really handy to have in your purse, and 49 cents is a really great price point. Final deal that I got was the Crest. These guys are $3 each. Now this morning I found a $2 coupon, plus I also had another $2 digital loaded, I believe week or something like that, but I hadn't used it. So these are 3 a piece, so that's $6, subtracting 2 $2 digitals. So definitely look through your digital coupons if you might have it or not. You're going to be left with paying 2 out of pocket, and then you get back this $2 register reward, making it free. And also, guys, this is part of P&G Good Every Day. Photograph your receipt and you can start, you know, donating your points, or you can even get gift cards to like Chipotle, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts. And this is part of the catalog, so I'm definitely going to be doing that. So I did the math for my entire haul, and all of this, you can use points for this little haul right here. For my entire haul today, guys, this was free, plus a $8.53 moneymaker. This is some tremendous shopping over at Walgreens, and it doesn't get any better than this. I am going to be doing my research with this and going back in store to see some monthly deals if I can find some freebies or cheapies for you guys. But that might come later in the week. But oh my gosh, just some sensational deals, including free Axe. This rarely happens where you have a triple stack. If I were you, I would go through Ibotta, Shopkick, and Fetch to make sure that you have all of these rebates in your galleries, to make sure you can line it up exactly as I'm describing it. Because the last thing you want is to go and do a deal and then you only have half of it, and then you have to decide, is it a good deal for you, yay or nay. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget about my giveaway. Go and enter that one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.